Hey everyone, welcome to day 9 of the 12 Days of IPA.
Wow, we're almost done.
Woo! We're embracing another cozy day.
Yeah, two days of sweats for me.
Yes.
You don't see me in sweats very often.
No.
But so today we've got the Ruinnation IPA.
Yeah.
On the website it's classified as double IPA, but that's not what the bottle says. So I'm going to go with the bottle. Oh, I got my can opener here that has a bottle opener built into it. So far,
we have not repeated
9
one.
days.
Yeah.
We've had 9 different bottle openers.
Mm-hmm.
That's too many.
For the people who don't ever drink beer usually. But we used to have beer drinkers in the house, that's why.
We were drinking it all the time.
Yeah. Yay.
Alright, Ruinnation IPA. So, very pleasant.
Yeah, it smells nice.
It's hoppy, but pleasant.
Mm-hmm.
It's not overbearing. A lot of structure to the head.
Mm-hmm. I can't really pick out a particular flavor though. Can you?
Beer.
Beer! He used my answer. That's mine. You can't have it.
Right. It's kind of woodsy, I would say.
Yeah, okay. I hear it.
You hear it or
I
smell
hear it.
Okay. So the hops that they were doing is it's Magnum, Chinook, and Centennial.
Okay. Did you used to use Chinook?
Chinook,
Okay.
and I think we used Magnum once.
Okay.
We may even use Centennial.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's enough smelling. Let's go ahead
Cheers.
and start drinking.
It's easy.
There is a healthy bitterness on the
Yeah.
back end. I wouldn't say it's punch you in the face.
Not like the other day.
No, it's also very balanced.
Mm-hmm.
Even though the bitterness lingers long.
Yeah.
Lingers long. Lingers long. It's our Japanese friend.
Yeah. That's probably super not Japanese, by the way.
No, it's Chinese.
Yeah.
One syllable ling would be Chinese. But he lives in Japan now.
Mm-hmm.
That's why he's our Japanese friend.
Oh, okay.
They do that.
Yeah.
They do move out of their own countries. Yeah, no, very pleasant.
Yeah.
Very.
I like it.
Yeah, it's. I wouldn't say if someone gave this to me and said, "What do you think of this?" I'd think, "Oh, IPA." I wouldn't think double IPA.
Mm-mm.
But Stone knows more than me, so I'm
I
gonna
think
go
this will
with
pair
Stone.
very nicely with our homemade pizza that is in the oven as we speak. So
Actually, it's not in the oven anymore. It's cooling off.
it's cooling off right now.
Yeah.
We've been doing a lot of homemade. Well, we've been doing a lot of homemade everything.
Yeah. Homemade candles, homemade
We just
pizza.
made homemade candles today, guys.
Yeah.
Got all sorts of things
Did my own
happening.
pecan pie.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on pecan pie this year. We're really trying to, last year we started, but this year really diving in deep of being able to produce a lot of our own things rather than spending money and...
What we don't need to produce, though, would be bottle openers.
We don't.
I have enough.
Yeah.
But this one came in handy, though.
It did, because the other day...
Because it has the
when-
can
yeah.
opener on top.
Mm-hmm.
And we had something that we had...
It was one of the cans,
It was
wasn't it?
one of the cans from the advent calendar.
Yeah.
The tab broke off. And the moment I started pulling on the tab, I'm like, oh, this is weak. It's faulty. And I just pulled right off.
Yeah.
But yet, can opener, I was able to punch it through. And,
Yeah?
You know, otherwise I'd be there with like a hammer and a screwdriver.
Oh,
I
no,
know. I hurt myself.
And we get a dirty screwdriver in our beer. So.
Yeah.
Oh my
Alright.
goodness. Yeah, so this is great.
Yeah, I'm gonna save that for the rest of the beer.
Yes,
for the
me
rest of
too.
the
I'm
pizza.
going to save mine for my pizza.
Yeah.
So,
Ruinnation, good standard IPA. It's a good go-to. That one, I think, could go all year round.
yeah, I think so too. Any time of the year.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for joining us for day 9 today. We hope that you have gone back and watched the other videos. If you haven't yet, at the end of this, it will show you the day before's video and then starting you out with day 1 of the advent calendar, because you know, you can even watch that advent calendar in April. Like, I think it's fine. You can watch it anytime.
Yep.
To be a part of our hilarity of conversations. So
Yeah,
and
1 o'clock in the morning and things like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So Good times. Tom actually looks really happy right now. This is his happy face.
Yeah.
So, we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. God bless you.
Oh, God bless you.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Bye.